MySep Studio Tutorials, Navigating a Project and Navigating a Vessel Model. We'll open a production system project that has recently been worked upon. Within our project, in this case, we have 3 vessels. If we click the arrow icon on the vessel banner, we can open up detailed analysis of the vessel. In the banner itself, we see some documentation of the vessel and key settings. We can view a summary of the vessel geometry and its performance. We can check for any critical warnings or performance concerns. We can manually add any necessary notes. Now let's step through the sections of our vessel. Starting with the configuration. Is the vessel horizontal or vertical? Is it gas liquid or gas liquid liquid? What are the overall dimensions? Do we have a weir or boot? In process data, we can have up to 15 process cases with process conditions, phase flows and properties for the vessel inlet stream. Similar to many sections, for inlet piping we have dimensions and calculated results with relevant graphical analysis. As we step through further vessel sections, we can review the inlet section, liquid level settings, the liquid-liquid gravity section, solid separation analysis, the gas gravity section and demisting section. We have the outlet section and a vessel layout diagram which can be manipulated in both 2D and 3D representations. In the last section, we can review the overall vessel results for gas liquid, liquid liquid and liquid solid performance. We can expand the section analysis for any other vessels in our project. For any further assistance, email support@mysep.com. Thank you.